everyone. Welcome to Hey Charlie Cooking Channel. This morning I will be preparing my delicious avocado toast. It only takes 20 minutes. I know you're going to love it. I am here this morning because I wanted to prepare something really easy and quick for those who are just running out the door and just need something quick to eat. I've already prepped my food, so as you can see here, I have 2 pieces of wheat toast, and I just use regular bread. So I like the Private Selection. Not sure if you have that in your area, but this is a very good brand to use. I also have my fresh cut onions and my fresh little baby tomatoes, which I love. And then I have my fresh avocado. I boiled some eggs. I pre-boiled the eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and start preparing. So the first thing you want to do is you want to cut up a nice fresh avocado and just kind of smash it really good. Almost like baby food. And then just whip it up. I'm going to go ahead and just spread that on my toast. Now it is optional if you would like to add some alfalfa sprouts. The grocery store that I go to was out, so I didn't get a chance to pick up any at another store. So it does make for a nice yummy avocado toast, but this is still going to be delicious. So try to get most of the little I don't know what you call these, the avocado pieces. Just kind of smash them down. So use this as your own preference of how much you want to spread. So there you go. You've got those 2 pieces. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to add some eggs. So I'll go ahead and put eggs on here. One of the things that I also like to do is I like to just kind of cut it a little bit more so I don't have a big piece of egg going down. So if you cut it like that, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this one as well, and we'll get another egg here. All right, so there you go. So if you got your avocado, you've got your eggs, and then next I'm going to go ahead and start adding my seasoning in. Now I love Chef Paul Prudhomme. He is, it's the best. I put it on everything. As you can see, I'm almost out. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And I love his food. It's so good. It just brings everything out. Now, here is the key to the avocado toast, is making sure that you get some lemon pepper seasoning. So that's going to just pop it and give it the nice little zest that it needs. Don't be afraid to use your seasoning. I love my garlic powder. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little powder on there. And I tell you, this takes literally like 20 minutes for you to prepare, so you can put your eggs on while you're getting dressed and ready for work. I'll sprinkle a little onion because that's good too. Next I'm going to go ahead and add me a few onions, and these are just some little slivered onions, and this is optional, so some people don't like onions, but I do. So you can get really creative and try to figure out what it is that you want to put on your avocado toast. You can also add some fresh salmon. Smoked salmon is really good. So I'm going to put a couple little pieces of tomatoes on here. There's that. I just add a little bit of olive oil, so you can just sprinkle a little bit on there, and that just keeps your toast from being dry. And then I also add some balsamic vinegar, and just a little bit. And so there you have it. You have your wonderful avocado toast.